Greetings farm machinery fans, and welcome to our latest test drive video here on our YouTube channel. It's always a treat for us to be introduced to a new tractor at a very early stage, especially when it's a completely new series. In this video, we will introduce you to the new Valtra Q Series. We'll pay a visit to the Valtra factory in Finland and take a look at the first Q Series tractors in Germany. Valtra dealers and customers have been waiting a long time for this gap to be filled. The company was missing a suitable tractor between the T and S series for the upper 200 horsepower segment, which its competitors had already largely filled. The new Q series, with 5 models from 225 to 305 horsepower, all with boost function, are set to serve this key sales segment going forward. The Finns intend to use this new series to target agricultural contractors who take on a wide range of logistics tasks, in addition to larger farm businesses. The Q Series is driven by a 7.4-litre AGCO power engine. Already well known from the larger T Series models, the power unit has been tried and tested and adjusted for the new series in terms of its characteristics, specifically its torque curve. As for the wheelbase, however, the Q is built around 5 centimetres longer. In contrast to the larger S series, the 6-cylinder Q series is around 2 tons lighter, depending on the equipment, at a charge weight of 9 to 10 tons. This year, we'll be visiting numerous different farm businesses and agricultural contractors in Scandinavia to film our latest documentary film for landtechniquevideos.de. The film series will be released on DVD and in 4K video to stream on www.farmworld.tv. While in Finland, we obviously couldn't forego a visit to the Vultra factory. Around 10,000 tractors are built here each year. Around a third of the tractors pass through the Valtra Unlimited program, which adapts them to customers' technical and visual specifications. Valtra is the unrivaled market leader in its home territory of Finland, with a market share of around 50%. That said, most of the tractors leave here by rail for export. Germany, France and the UK are the biggest target markets in terms of units sold. The factory, which is based 4 hours north of Helsinki by car, will also be used to build the Q Series in future, in addition to the A, G, N and T Series models. Some heavy investments must have been made in the facility in preparation for the new tractor series. While filming at the start of June, we were able to catch an exclusive glimpse of the new Q Series, which has mostly been developed here. The well-known Smart Touch operating concept that recently received an update in the T5 models has been adopted like for like in the new Q Series. The same goes for the cab, which we're familiar with from the T Series. What stands out here is the new and updated LED lighting system with integrated working lights in the front of the roof. Integrated indicators have also been added to the back of the cab roof. The Vultra Reman premises are located just 15 minutes from the factory by car. This service was created by AGCO around 10 years ago for the engine segment and has since expanded to incorporate the Valtra brand. The facility's core competency lies in refurbishing and reconditioning transmissions that were built as far back as the 90s. It's an interesting topic for several reasons. Rapidly available parts, even for older tractor series. Often faster and much more cost-effective repairs that are carried out by specialists. It also promotes sustainability by preserving the assembly as far as possible. Now back to Germany and to Henke agricultural contractors, where we were able to film one of the first tractors from the Q Pre-Series in operation. This agricultural contractor already works with some of the T Series models. Managing Director Jörg Henke is very taken with the Q Series, which they're testing out on tillage, square baling and logistics tasks. The Q Series is offered exclusively with a continuously variable transmission. The transmission, which has 2 speed ranges, originates from the Market-Oberdorf factory. The responsive, air-suspended front axle is also worth a mention. This concept has been one of Valtra's key features for the past 20 years. An optional reverse drive unit and a front loader with integrated weighing function are further key features that highlight the versatility of this new tractor series. In the next episode of our short film series on Henke agricultural contractors, we'll report on the company's grain harvesting work and take a closer look at the Q Series in operation. Parts 1 to 4 are already available here on our YouTube channel.